Want to speak perfect Spanish just like a native? Then you must work in your accent. Losing it completely is very hard, but with these tips, you'll be able to hide your foreigner status for a bit longer and will help you to considerably reduce it. I'm Spring Spanish teacher Paulísima, and here's trick number 1. Número 1. Escuchar. Escuchar. No vas a poder hablar español usando solo los sonidos del inglés. Eso que te quede clarísimo. Así que paso número 1, escuchar, 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 escuchar. Listen to a lot of Spanish and listen carefully. If you can't hear the sounds, you won't be able to reproduce them. That's why it's so important that you spend a lot of time just listening. Las buenas noticias es que hay un montón de contenido en español disponible, probablemente más que nunca. So you have to be obsessed with Spanish. Everything that you listen to must be in Spanish. As you probably already noticed, when I speak English, I have an accent. Yeah, I do. It's obvious. Sin embargo, mientras más tiempo paso con personas angloparlantes, mejor se vuelve mi acento. And when I spend time in places where English is spoken, my accent improves as well. ¿Por qué? Pues por la exposición a los sonidos naturales del inglés. Y así te va a pasar a ti también mientras más español escuches. Stay until the end to find out which app to use to make huge strides in your Spanish accent. Número 2. Shadowing. Repetir después de los hispanoparlantes. Puedes repetir lo que digan los hispanoparlantes, ya sea en una serie o en una película o en un video de YouTube. Algo así.
But then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong. I grew strong. How to get a what? ¿Cómo era? A ver, ahí va. How to get along. How to get along.
Tú sin pena, ponle pausa y repite. Don't pay too much attention to understanding the meaning of each single word that you're saying. We are just focusing in getting the sounds right. Mi gente, this is the perfect time for you to subscribe to the Spring Spanish YouTube channel and click on that bell so you don't miss any of our new lessons. Número 3. Finge que eres mexicano. Or that you're from any other Spanish-speaking nation, if that's where you are living or visiting. I just say Mexican because I'm Mexican and I'm biased, of course. Toma algunas frases comunes y dilas imaginando que eres mexicano. Aquí les comparto 5 frases con mexicanismos muy útiles. Greet your Mexican friends saying, ¿qué pedo? ¿Qué pedo, güey? ¿Cómo has estado? Súper bien, güey. ¿Y tú? When you want to comment on how lazy you're feeling, say, ¡qué hueva! El evento de la empresa es mañana a las 8 a.m. ¡Qué hueva! When you have no freaking idea about something, sepa la bola. Yeah, la bola, as in the ball, like, sepa la bola. Paulísima, ¿a qué horas es el evento de la empresa? Sepa la bola. When you're toasting, arriba, abajo, al centro y pa' dentro. Ahí es agua. When you want to make sure your friends don't chicken out, no te rajes. Paulísima, eres la maestra de ceremonias del evento de la empresa. Ay, no, qué hueva. Tú te ofreciste y ya estás en el programa, no te rajes. La idea de imaginarte que eres mexicano puede además servirte para que no te sientas acomplejado o nervioso con tu acento. For a second, you're not you, you're someone else, so it doesn't matter if you make a few mistakes. Número 4. Grábate mientras hablas. Record yourself while you're speaking and then play the recording and compare it to the way a native Spanish speaker would say it. ¿Escuchas la diferencia? This is a great exercise. I highly recommend SpeechLink for speaking practice. It's a good resource. You can record yourself and then you can get feedback from pronunciation coaches. It's really good. And you can get a link to it in the description. Con estos tips vas a ser capaz de mejorar tu español por mucho. Let's take a look at accents from different Spanish-speaking countries. We made a Spring Spanish team video where several of us speak in different accents. Click the image on screen and let us know what do you think about our accents and our imitations.